What's the meaning of aspersions? Aspersions. Aspersions.
Aspersions. Aspersions. Aspersions is a noun that refers to an attack on someone's integrity or reputation by casting doubt or making false accusations. Aspersions can have serious consequences for the person being attacked, including loss of reputation, damage to their personal relationships, and even legal repercussions in some cases. It is important to be careful about making aspersions against others and to ensure that any accusations are based on facts rather than speculation or hearsay. Overall, aspersions are a harmful and damaging practice that should be avoided whenever possible.